Hey, what's up, guys? Here with Technical Tech, helping you understand technology. So, welcome to my channel. Thank you very much.
Hello viewers, this is your host and Dotman Maidil Islam. Welcome back to another video. So guys, I'm back again today. I'm introducing a new video that will help you find, some addresses. You see, today I will discuss about map. It's known to everyone. That is the Google Map. We have already seen in Google. My topic will be how you can add any place in Google Map. That is the main topic of my discussion. So guys, you can see the screen where I will go now. Opening Google Chrome firstly, then I will go to the Google. You see, and search. You see Google Map. I'm a little bit slow in writing, so you see, you might not feel good as I'm slow. So clicking on Google Map, you can see here the Google Map website, and you can see that the email ID which is connected with it. I'm going to my email address. Okay, and now what I have to do is just click on that area and go to. You see, there are so many options here. You can see. So first you have to go to that section. That means add a missing place. To add a place, so you have to just click on it. Then you can see the name, category, locations, search for place for business, add phone, etc. So say for example, I'm actually wanting to add some name, that is my Technical Techo. Technical Techo, you see, and I'm writing on this the name, category. There are so many categories here, though it's a technology based category, so I have to select technology. You see here, I'm typing technology. You see, technology museum, not technology park, Institute of Technology, blah. You can say I'm just clicking on this to make you understand. Okay, you just select whatever you like and what suits your business. That will be the main point. I'm taking it Institute of Technology. And address, you see, you can write your address. Or you can avoid this, just click on this. It will take your map to this, and that will locate yourself if your location is 1. And if you are doing from mobile, I'm doing it from my computer, so it's showing this. So just click on it and press done. Then locations, see the locations is not coming, so I'm just putting it here. Okay, so the locations is selected as per the area, but not as it's not working in my computer GPS. So guys, just I'm typing. Okay, that's it. Purawari Road. That's okay. And then you can add hours. You see here, you can add the opening time of that places. You see open 24 hours. If you click, you can open 24. You can select all the page, and then you can select the time, add hours. Say for example, I'm starting from 10 open time and close time. 10 a.m. to suppose 5 p.m. 5 p.m. Okay, that's it. So yes, so do it in that way. You have to select here, and then you can edit there. I'm not doing it. Okay, just for example. And here you also can add photos. For example, any photos you see. Technical tag, or this is the photo I'm adding. Okay, then you have to click on done, and that's it. And you can add here any phone number. Just an example. Website you can write down. Opening day if you have, that means the opening of your company, or any other things that will be included here. So that's it. After that, what you have to do, just click on send. So I'm not clicking on send. As you can see, this is not the place of it, and the information is not clear here. So I'm not inputting that. Just showing you that clicking on send will take to the Google, and they will approve it if it actually matches the criteria. So I'm cancelling it. And so in that way, just I'm showing another place, that a company, Vistech Agrofeed Limited, Vistech Agrofeed Limited workplace, where that place I have already added, and you will see suggestion of the edit, change name or other description. And here you will find that all the things, the Vistech, the company name, category, and the location automatically taken, and search for place here, the office time, mobile number, and you see another place. So thank you very much. I'm finishing my video. Hope you have all enjoyed the video, and please subscribe my channel. This is Mohammed Islam, going back. Know what today. Thank you very much. We'll back another video next time.